What's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl here, Miss CC. Give you one more last makeup too for 2018 before we rush up in 2019. Girl showing asses. I hope you guys really enjoy this makeup too that I did for you for New Year's. Just in case you guys are going to anybody's party, make sure you have fun, be safe, make sure you have a responsible driver, okay? I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas. My Christmas was great. I couldn't ask for anything else better than life itself. And God knows a lot of us didn't make it. But I'm not going to ramble on. Just going to let you guys know this is the last makeup too for the 2018 coming from me. I hope you guys really enjoy it. If you do, make sure you hit that like button. And guys, make sure you follow me on my Instagram, girl, because it's going to be lit for 2019. Without anything else to be said, I'm not going to be doing a lot of talking on this video. So just know your girl got things to do. Please be. Yeah, let's rock on. I did that eye off camera, alright? Just using the mirror out of this palette. And I'm going to be taking my eyeshadows out of the Dream Queen palette. Now, I've done a review on this palette. Y'all should know if you've been watching me for a while. If you haven't, welcome. And this time I put everything I used down in the description box. So you can scroll down and see everything that I'm using. This first shade I'm going to go in after I prime, because I'm going to prime my eye with the Smashbox 24-hour photo finish. This is just a little mini that came out of the bestsellers pack. The transition shade I'm going to go with a nice pink little shade called Kiss Me. So I'm going with that first. Too Faced Dream Queen palettes first impression review, I think it was. You pretty much can tell how I feel about this palette. All my videos is in playlists, so if you're interested in seeing my older videos on how I used to goof up, I did start my YouTube channel this year. Please go to my playlist, y'all. They're all there, every one of them. Next shade I'm going to be using is this color right here. It's called Les Kringle. Use this on my Sigma E40. I'm excited for the new year, y'all, because we are going to do new things on this channel. Ain't nothing but grown people on this here channel. Just let you guys know, I do want to take another brush and dip into more whitish, shallow shade. Let's put it right here in our brow bone. One thing about New Year's to me, everybody want to come out with a damn resolution. Every time I come out with a resolution, shit, girl, it don't never fall through. Who needs a damn resolution? For real, for real. Just do it. If you're going to do it, just damn do it. How I feel about a resolution. Resolution. Kiss my ass. Gonna deepen that out a little bit. Gonna take that Les Rose shade. I don't know, that little shade right there, kind of like burgundy cranberry shade. I use that shade in that tutorial, so yeah, just make sure y'all look that up, alright? Changing my brush, I'm gonna take Special Delivery. It's that very, very black shade and Son of a Nutcracker mix. We'll flick it right here at the corner, and then I just flicked it back. And then whatever I had left, I just brought it a little closer into my inner corner. Changing out my brush, I'm just going to take that Special Delivery, was I just defined the crease with that black shade. So what I'm doing is just changing out brushes, you know, going back and forth with them, making sure the blend is secure. Because them harsh lines, see them little harsh lines, girl, no, let's work on that. Because we want it to look blown out like this one. See how that one's blown out, but it's kind of like winged at the end. So you got to work those brushes. We're going to use a nice shimmer shade, and it's this one right here. Holy Days. Ooh. Charcoal gray, slate gray, I don't know. Kind of make it seem like I'm going to do a cut crease without the concealer or eyeshadow base. Look at that, ain't that pretty? Apply all on the lid. And as you see, I don't know if you can tell, but you see how the glitters are kind of like transferring. That's okay. What we don't want is the whole damn lid on that damn crease area. That won't be good. And whatever I have on my brush, we're going to flick it out so we can start our wing. We're going to go through all the brushes again, and we're going to soften each other out. Alright, we're going to mesh everything in together. Shade. Let's do a swash. Ooh, very nice. Ooh. The middle part, and be careful because the glitters will go everywhere. Twinkle. Twinkle is this shade right here. That shade right there. See, Twinkle. So let's do a swatch. Ooh. So let's see. Pop it. Ew. Think I may have got too much. My fingers, I'm just going to apply each shade together. Go in with the brushes one more time. So I'm starting with the crease brush so we can take all the glitters and brush them off before they start transferring everywhere. So now here goes the blend, 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 because we got to get all those colors together. What I'm going to do is put my mascara on while my glue is dry. It's the green. If y'all want a tutorial on how to do lashes, just let me know. I'll show you how I do a look. Like for mascara, I use the Becca Bang and the Benefit Cosmetics for a coat of the top lashes. Check the lashes one more time. I think she's ready now. The Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced. Coat the lashes one more time. Moving on, I want to go ahead and do my complexion. First thing I'm going to do is prime using the Benefit Porefessional. I like this primer because it gets into the pores, kind of map the pores down, blur the pores, and all the little bit of things we got. Oh, I ain't open this yet. I still got a little seal on it. Alright, Train, come on now. Do what you got to do. Get the hell on. Take a little bit. Get those pores, girl. Take and press, press, press. A little bit more because I got some big ass pores. The next primer I'm going to be using is Farsali Unicorn Essence Primer. Yeah. We got that on. I'm going to move in with my foundation. I'm using Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation in the shade Amber. Very, very full coverage, girl. When I tell you, she beat to the guards. Full coverage. See, look at that. Woo, she goes a long way, girl. And I'm going to be honest about this Becca. She thick. You don't need a lot with her. Look at the coverage. Ooh, I like to use a brush too, but girl, shit. Not with Becca. Concealer, I'm using two of my favorites. Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. The Naked Skin by Urban Decay Weightless Complete Coverage Concealer. So I'm going to be using the NYX Face Duo Highlight and Sculpt. It's actually like a contour and highlight. This end is the shade Sand and this is the shade Chestnut. So I like to contour with Chestnut and I like to do my little mustache area with Sand because it gets a little dark around there. We're going extra today, girl. Other shades here. This is the shade Espresso and Honey. Honey is this shade here, and Espresso is the darker shade. I'm going to take the shade Espresso and dot, 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 because I love a dark contour, girl. I'm going to take the shade Honey and go around the edge. Then going back to the shade Chestnut to contour this jawline. I'm going to set using my Too Faced Peach Perfect powder. I'm going to shake it up. Take whatever I got. Go ahead and set the forehead. Set my nose area real good. Right here, these cheeks. Yeah, put whatever I got on my beauty blender and set the rest of my face. I don't care what you're doing. Set all your shit. Using the Makeup Forever. This is in the shade 173. Kind of nice and pretty that is. I'm going to take a E58 brush from Morphe. And it's just the powder way. Alright, bronzing the skin using the Becca. This is Ipanema Sun. Looks like that. A little nice, cool, warm tone. E4 brush from Morphe. Alright, girl. Woo. Dip into it's my Ray Ray palette. She has 3 nice highlighters in it, guys. And they are so pretty. Looking at it, you never think that these are the shades of the highlighters. But guys, don't let it fool you. She does have contour shades in there. So if I was to take, okay, let's take my E4 brush. I'm going to dip into this shade right here. Brighten up with that, my reverse contour. So look at that. Brightens it up real nice. Yes, girl. Contour my nose with this shade right here. Brush. Go down. Button like look a little lion nose. You know, got a little lion nose, little cat nose. Rawr. Let's see what we come up with, honey. Oh yeah, that is gorgeous, girl. Oh. Ooh, that melts into my skin good. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, I'm doing this with what's the M438 brush. Highlighter brush from Morphe. Girl, I know it. Let's just go crazy with it. Whatever we have left on the brush, girl, don't be naughty. Be nice. The dupe for trophy wife. Oh, look how, oh gosh, that is Girl, let me put this down before I go crazy. Alright, let's get some Continuous Setting Mist by Morphe. So let's go ahead and do the bottom of the eyes. I'm going to go in with all those dark colors. I'm going to go with the less rose shade. I'm going to do a Special Delivery, just a little bit on the outer parts. And then I'm going to blend it out with less crinkle. So for the bottom lashes, I'm going to take the MAC Extended Play Gigablack mascara. And I actually grab those lashes and bring those lashes out. Girl, those lashes look like spider legs. Now let's move on to the lips. Let's take a liner. I'm going to take Hot Sauce in Sephora. It's nice. It's pretty nude. Going in with the NYX Lingerie. This is in the shade Bedtime Flirts. Ooh. Then I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is their lip gloss in the shade Vintage. It's got a little sparkle to it, girl. Alright, girl, let me take this hair down because I know y'all going to be like, what? That's it. No, ma'am. Alright, last step, guys, is the blush. Anastasia Beverly Hills. My favorite blush of the year. Taking my E4 brush. I'm going to pop into this shade here. Spray one more time. I'm going to go ahead and lock everything in. I'm going to use the Urban Decay All Nighter. I have been digging on this setting spray. I'm going to get more. So guys, this is it. This is the final look. I want to say thank you for everybody that's been watching me and supporting me, giving me the thumbs ups. Let me know that you like my channel. Let me know that you like my content. Y'all, it means a lot to me. And 2019 is right around the corner. And girl, when I tell you, it's going to be a year. Don't let nobody to steer you away from doing what you need to do or doing what you want to do on your channel, because you have control of your own. Thank you guys again. Love you. And see you on my next upload next year. Bye.